Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome 2025. Let's hope it's going to be a good year for everybody. This is not a product endorsement. I got this little guy for Christmas. It's a digital tachometer. You just take this reflective tape that they sent along with it, cut off a small square of it, attach it to something spinning, and then you hold the laser light on it and it will give you the RPM. First, we're going to try it on this drill. And you touch the memory button and it'll show you that was the lowest was 1090 and the highest is 2057. So about 2000 RPM. Next, I'm going to try the Farmall Cub at a high idle. And we're also going to try the old Logan Lathe here. I'm still in the process of learning how to use the lathe, but I can see where it would be helpful for certain applications to know exactly what your RPMs are. Of all the things I own, I think only 2 of them have tachometers. So I think this little thing is going to come in handy just for curiosity, and if you want to dial an idle in or whatever it happens to be. You could even use this thing on small engines like lawnmowers and stuff, as long as you had access to something spinning off the flywheel or the crankshaft. Anyway, I think you guys get the idea. The hardest part about the whole thing is getting the stickum peeled off the back of the tape so you can actually use it. And it doesn't stick to everything. Like the Farmall Cub, for example, the crankshaft pulley is very porous because it's old and it's cast iron. So I just used a white paint pen, put a big white dot on the pulley, and the laser was able to read that perfectly. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys how these things operate, and they're super cheap on Amazon. I think they're around $20 or something like that. Anyway, it's a pretty cool little thing, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of it around here. Take care, everybody. We'll see you later.